कवितार्के केसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सुधाकृति गुरुभ्यः तद्गुरुभ्यः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्रान्मद्दीक्षं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवं प्रपद्ये दिशन्तु मे देव सदा तुदीयाः दयातरङ्गान् दुराकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संस्कृतकामधेनुं व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजै पुस्तकं शृङ्गचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुण्डरीकेन षण्णः अम्लानश्वेरं श्वेप्लावयन्मामाविर्भूया धनमिमामासे वागदीशः टाइप பண்ண முடியாது
blank screen தெரியுது white
blank screen தான் வச்சிருக்கேன் blank screen தான் வச்சிருக்கேன் work தரப்போம் வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல இதுல டைப் பண்ண முடியாது போட்டுருக்கு டைப் பண்ண சௌரியமா இருக்கும்
யார் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸா
இல்ல நான் டைப் பண்ற மாதிரி தான் நான் எழுதுற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு சார் ஓகே Word document. ஒரே நிமிஷம் சொல்லலாம்
ஆடியன்
பார்க்க முடியுதா
தெரியுது
இப்போ நான் இதுல வந்து டைப் அடிக்கிறேன் will start from the beginning first gender classification. Linga Jnana. What is the gender of these words? இவ்வளோ நிறைய ஒரு கால் கிடையாது, இப்பதான் எல்லா காலும். Hope children are reading the words themselves. Now the question is, what is the gender of these words? Okay, one by one. Just before calling, just give me time to complete this line. Okay. So anybody can volunteer. What are the genders of these words? Better anyone new can try. So far who never answered can try.
Adian, call out பண்ணலாம் Adian.
Call out பண்ணலாம்.
சரி.
ஒரு லைன் ஒரு ஸ்டூடண்ட் கூட பண்ணலாம். எல்லாமே ஒரே ஸ்டூடண்டா இல்லாம ஒரு லைனுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டூடண்ட் அந்த மாதிரி.
சரி. So whoever wants to read can just put down your name in the chat box and we'll call you out. So first Aditya, Prahlada Vardhan, Shraddha, Shravan, Anantashri, Akshara. Start with Aditya and then followed by Prahlada.
Adiyan Aditya. Kavihi Pullingaha, Padaha Pullingaha, Aja Strilingaha, Munihi Pullingaha, Amba Strilingaha, Dripaha Pullingaha.
Very good.
Adiyan Dhanna.
Adiyan next Lama.
Next. Prahlada Vardhana.
Adiyan.
Adiyan. Hirah.
Surya.
Suryah. Nisha.
What gender?
Suryah. Pullingah. Nisha. Strilingah. Patihi. Pullingah. Patrihi.
Patni.
Patni. Strilingah.
Why Strilinga?
ஏன்னா ஈ இருக்கு.
Very good, very good, very good. அடுத்தது next.
தேவி.
Next word.
தேவி ஸ்ரீலிங்கः.
Next. Good, good.
ரத்னாகரः புல்லிங்கः.
Very good, very good, very good. Next student.
தன்யோஸ்ரீ சுவாமி.
அடியேன் ஸ்ரத்தா.
சொல்லுமா ஸ்ரத்தா.
கேக்குதா பேசுறது?
கேக்குறதா? என்ன கேக்குது?
சந்திரிகா ஸ்திரீலிங்கः, நயனம் நபும்சகலிங்கः, खगः पुल्लिङ्गः, कुमारी स्त्रीलिङ्गः, जलधि पुल्लिङ्गः, सूण्रु पुल्लिङ्गः, सूणुः पुल्लिङ्गः.
How do you classify? Explain me. How do you classify this pullinga, strilinga, and nabunsalinga?
अरे नाना.
நீதாம்மா.
ஓகே. புல்லிங்கः அப்படினா வந்து அ இ உ ரு இதுல வரும். கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸெப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு இதுல. லைக் வேற எதுவும் வரலாம், வேற வேர்ட்ஸும் வரலாம். ஸ்திரீலிங்கः எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா ஆ இ உ அதெல்லாம் வந்து ஸ்திரீலிங்கः, அதுல எண்ட் பண்ணா ஸ்திரீலிங்கः. அப்புறம் வந்து அம்ல எண்ட் பண்ணா வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கः. இந்த ஸ்திரீலிங்கः நபும்சகலிங்கஹக்கு நோ எக்ஸெப்ஷன்ஸ், எல்லாம் அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும்.
Very good, very good, very good. Uttam. Anybody else can try?
அடியன் ஸ்ரவன் ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லியிருந்தா.
ட்ரை பண்ணுமா?
அடியன் கேக்குறதா?
என்ன கேக்குறது?
கவிஹி புல்லிங்கः, பாதः पुल्लिङ्गः, अजा स्त्रीलिङ्गः, मुनिः पुल्लिङ्गः, अम्बा स्त्रीलिङ्गः, नृपः पुल्लिङ्गः.
Next. Next, any other student?
Anantashri.
अडियन जयश्री सुदर्शना. सूर्यः पुल्लिङ्गः, निशा स्त्रीलिङ्गः, पतिः पुल्लिङ्गः, पत्नी स्त्रीलिङ्गः, देवी स्त्रीलिङ्गः, रत्नाकरः पुल्लिङ्गः. धन्यास्मि.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. One more.
Anantashri, is Akshara also reading?
No. Akshara is not there.
Akshara படிக்கிறாளா?
Again, Akshara did not volunteer.
சரி,
Okay.
okay. Srinish, do you want to read?
Yes, sir.
Last line.
चंद्रिका स्त्रीलिंगः, नयनं पुल्लिंगः,
नपुंसकलिंग.
खगः पुल्लिंगः, कुमारी स्त्रीलिंगः, जलधिः पुल्लिंगः, सूनुः पुल्लिंगः.
Very good. Uttam. Uttam. Shall we go to next? So, what do you understand? Words ending with A, I, U, R, or masculine words. Okay, words end with A, I, U, okay, or feminine words. Words end with okay, or neuter gender words. This is what we understand in Sanskrit. Okay, I'll reduce the size. You can see this. Okay, so what do you understand? Words end with A, I, U, R, O, O also there. Okay, A, I, O, O, but very limited words. Okay, majority of the words are A, I, U, R. Majority of the words. Words are there A, I, O, O, ending with A, I, O, O, as well as K, Ch, T, T, P also there. Okay, but majority is A, I, U. Maximum words here. So words end with A, I, U are feminine words. Words end with are neuter gender words. This is what we understand. Okay. Now you learned this one. Okay. Decline the singular, dual, and plural. Okay. Now we start with masculine. Okay. We start with masculine. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Okay, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. Now here it is only Pullinga. Pullinga Shabdaha. How to say Pullinga Shabdaha? Only Akaranta. Okay? Only Akaranta. Okay? I am not going to teach you I, U and all now. That is later stage. Okay? You will understand only Akaranta. Okay? So what are the words? First, Deva. Devaha. Deva. Okay? Bala. Rama. Jana. Desha. Okay, then one more. I'll make it two more. Desha. Then Chataka. Chataka. Then Mruga. Okay. So how it will be? How it will be? I will make it one more. Vriksha. Okay. Let me type first one so that you all will understand. So anybody can tell. Devaha. Devav, Devaha. So one Deva, okay, two Devas and many Devas. Okay, Devaha one, only one Deva. Devav two Devatas. Devaha many Devatas. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 students should volunteer, and two each for everyone. Okay, So anybody.
Again, the next two will be Satvik, followed by Sudarshan, Abhirat, and Dhriti. So just for everyone's
everyone should take part. Swami, everyone should take part. It's not that they will willingly show their interest. No. Whoever attend, there are 40 students here. All 40 should get chance.
So
all
of you please volunteer.
Randomly we'll call. That's all.
Otherwise, we may probably just start calling randomly. So please volunteer. So it's not like a test. It's basically just to learn and
learning only.
Whatever has been taught. So please take part. And those who have already volunteered, please wait for everyone, the others to get the first chance. And if there is other, if we have one more round, then you can volunteer once again.
Yeah. So because now it is Pullinga, then Strilinga will come, then Napumsakalinga will come.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Satvik and Sudarshan. Satvik, can you hear me? Satvik Srinivas. So Satvik, you can exit and join back, and then you should be able to unmute yourself. So meanwhile, Sudarshan, you can go.
Again.
Yeah.
Balah balau balaha, Ramah ramu ramaha, Deshau deshaha, Chatakau chatakaha, Mrigam mrigaha, Vriksha vrikshaha.
Very good. Next student.
Abhirat.
Again. Balah balau balaha, Ramah ramau ramaha, Deshah deshau deshaha, Chatakaha chatakau chatakaha, Mrigaha mrigau mrigaha, Vrikshaha vrikshau vrikshaha.
Do you know the meaning of this, Abhirat? Any one word? Can you tell?
Yes, again.
Choose anyone.
Sriram Prasad.
Wait. Abhirat. I am talking to Abhirat now. Sriram later. Okay? Wait. Abhirat, tell me Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, Vrikshaha. What's the meaning?
Vrikshaha means one tree.
One Vriksha. One Vriksha or one tree. If you know the meaning, you can tell tree. Otherwise, you can tell one Vriksha. That's all. Vrikshau?
Vrikshau. Two Vriksha.
Two trees. Two Vrikshas.
Vrikshaha. Three trees.
Three and
Many
more.
trees.
Okay. 3 and more. Very good. Sriram, now you can.
Satvik again. Satvik. You can try if you can unmute yourself.
Again, Valaha, Valau, Valaha, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Chavaha, Chavau, Chavaha, Chatakaha, Chatakau, Chatakaha, Mrikaha, Mrikau, Mrikaha, Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, Vrikshaha.
Very good. Take any one word and tell me what's the meaning. Balaha, Balau, Balaha.
Balaha.
Balaha means what?
Chatakaha is crab. That's what I know.
Chatakaha, Chatakau, Chatakaha. Tell the meaning.
Chatakaha is one crab.
One?
Chatakau is two crabs and Chatakaha is
No. Chataka means sparrow. A sparrow is called Chataka. You can say simply Chataka, no problem. Okay, one Chataka, two Chatakas, and 3 and more Chatakas. Okay? Very good. Next. Very good.
Next, Dhriti.
Tejasvi Sudarshana. Kekkuda.
Nanna kekaduma.
बालः बालौ बालाः रामः रामौ रामाः देशः देशौ देशाः चटकः चटकौ चटकाः मृगः मृगौ मृगाः वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः.
Very good. ஏன்னா ஒரு வேர்ட் எடுத்து சொல்லு பாப்போம்.
देशः उलगम.
देशः देशः
देशः is it world?
One no country. देशः one country.
One country.
देशौ two countries.
Deshaha is multiple countries.
Yeah, 3 and more countries. Very good. Next. Dhanyas.
Bharata Vishnu.
நன்னா கேக்குறது.
बालः बालौ बालाः रामः रामौ रामाः देशः देशौ देशाः जटकः जटकौ जटकाः मृगः मृगौ मृगाः वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः.
Very good. Take any one word and tell me what's the meaning.
वृक्षः tree.
Very good. वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः. What's the meaning? What is the difference in the meaning?
वृक्षः one tree.
Very good.
वृक्षौ two trees.
Very good.
वृक्षाः many trees.
Very good.
Dhanyas Median.
Dhanyas. புரிஞ்சுதா பசங்களுக்கு? Anybody understood? All understood? Hope you all have understood. Anybody have doubt? Please tell me, or if anybody want to practice this, please tell now. Raise your hand.
Again, if anyone has any doubts on this, unmute பண்ணிட்டு கேட்கலாம். Swami, you don't have to wait till Q&A, but all of you just don't unmute to ask any other question. Just regarding only about this one which Swami has taught now. Doubt இருந்தா please unmute and ask Swami.
அடியான் ஆதித்யா, அடியான் இந்த நீங்க சொன்னேன் இந்த ஆ இ உ வந்து ஸ்திரீலிங்கம்க்கு ரு சரி ரு வந்து எதுக்கு ரு எண்டிங் வேர்ட்
இல்ல ரு வந்து வேர்ட்ஸே ரொம்ப குறைவுதான்ப்பா. வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இல்லப்பா அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகே
சரி அடியான். Dhanyas.
Hope we can go to the next. Okay, Pullinga Shabda Akaranta is over. Now we are moving like this to next. Strilinga Shabda Akaranta. Strilinga Shabdaha, not Akarantaha, Akaranta, only Akaranta. I am going to tell you, only Akaranta. Okay? Bala, Lata. Okay? Then Praja. Mala. Then Shila. Then Shila. Griva. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Griva. Then Devata. Okay. Bala. Bale. Bala. Okay. Strilinga words. Strilinga words ending with a. Strilinga shabdaah, akaranta shabdaah. There are ikaranta, ukaranta also, but now we practice only akaranta. Okay, because structure of Sanskrit is totally different from other languages. So you have to understand the structure one by one, step by step. Okay, how it is happening, how a big vehicle or anything assembled. First they make it small parts, and they make it big ones. Then they assemble everything. Okay. So like this, now we are understanding the nouns. Then we will go to verbs. Okay. So then we will assemble the words. Okay. Now practice for akaranta strilinga shabdah. Okay. Akaranta strilinga shabdah. One example is given here. All the words ending with a should be declined like this. No doubt in this. Okay. Any name, a lot of names, not of girls are there here. No. Any name should be like this. Okay. Bala, Bale, Bala. Again, Bala, Bale, Bala. Rest students have. Now volunteer, better whoever did not get chance should get first. All 40, 45, how many are there here should volunteer. Okay? Yeah. Swamin.
Shiraja, followed by Sri Vikram. Then Vasudha.
Very good.
Again. Bala, Bale, Balah. Lata, Late, Latah. Praja, Praje, Prajah. Mala, Male, Malah.
Very good.
Shila, Shile, Shilah.
Very good.
Griva, Grive, Grivah.
Very good.
Devata, Devate, Devatah.
Very good. Take anyone and explain.
Adiyan, Lata oda meaning creeper. So Latana vandu one creeper, Late means two creeper, and Lataha is three or more creepers.
Very good. Next.
Adiyan Dhanyasmi.
Sri Vikram.
Again, now Sri Vikram देख रहा.
After Sri Vikram, Vasudha.
Bala, Bale, Balah. Lata, Late, Latah. Saja, De, Sajah. Mala, Male, Malah. Shila, Shile, Shilah. Diva, Dive, Divah. Devata, Devate, Devatah.
Very good. Then take any one and explain.
Again, Devata means goddess.
Yeah.
Devata means
God.
one goddess.
No. Here, Devaha, Devata, both are same meaning only. There is no difference. Okay? God. Okay, Devata, Strilinga, we can say it is the goddess. But still, Indra iti Devata. Okay? Devata means here, even we can tell it for Pullinga in this case. Okay? Yeah, because Devaha, Devata, both mean the same.
So should I take another?
God or goddess, both are correct here. Yeah.
Devata means one god or goddess. Devate means two god or goddesses.
Very good.
Devataha means three or more god or goddesses.
Very good. Sri Vikram, fine. Next.
Continuously. Again.
Name. Vasudha. Very good.
Mala, Male, Malaha. Bala, Bale, Balaha. Praja, Praje, Prajaha. Mala, Male, Malaha.
Shila.
Sheila, Sheila, Shile, Shilaha.
Very good.
Griva, Grive, Grivaha.
Very good.
Dava, Devata, Devate, Devataha.
Very good. Take any one. What can you tell?
Asudaha. Asuda, Vasudhi, Asudaha.
Very good. Nice. What's the meaning of Vasudha?
Sanyasi. Nanda.
நீதான் சரி. வசுதான்னா என்ன அர்த்தம், என்ன பொருள்?
Bhumadevi.
Very good. Nice. Very good. Next.
Bala.
Name. Who is doing?
Archit.
Start.
Bala, Bale, Balaha. Lata, Late, Lataha. Praja, Praje, Prajaha. Mala, Male, Malaha. Shila, Shile, Shilaha. Griva, Grive, Grivaha. Devta, Devte, Devtaha.
Very good. Take any one word.
Again, Praja means citizen.
Praja means citizen. Very good.
Praje means two citizens.
Very good.
Prajaha means three or more citizens.
Very good, Archit. Very good. Next.
அப்படியே ஸ்ரீலிங்காவே படிக்கட்டுமா?
இன்னும் ஒருத்தர் படிக்கட்டும்.
அப்படியே மேக்னா.
Lata, Late, Lataha. Raja, Raje, Rajaha. Mala, Male, Malaha. Shila, Shile, Shilaha. Shiva, Shive, Shivaha. Devata, Devate, Devataha.
Very good. Uttamam. Any one word you take and explain. Shila.
Neck.
What is the meaning of Shila? Stone. Stone is called Shila. Okay. Shila, one stone. Shile,
Two stones.
two stones. Shilaha,
Three stones.
three or more stones. Okay, three or more stones. Very good. Now we move to Napumsakalinga Shabda. Okay, you understood? Anybody has a doubt here? Any word ending with a should be declined like this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Adiyan. Skrilinga Shabdas lab வரலாம்ல.
உண்டு. நான் இப்ப கத்து தரல.
சரி.
அடியேன் எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட். இப்போ தேவதா அப்படின்ற சப்தம் வந்து நீங்க புல்லிங்கத்துல எழுதும் போது ராம சப்தம் மாதிரி எழுதுவீங்களா, ஸ்ரீலிங்க சப்தம் மாதிரி எழுதுவீங்களா?
இல்ல, வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப லோவா இருக்குமா? கொஞ்சம் வாய்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணு.
இப்ப கேக்குறதா?
நன்னா கேக்குறது. பேசு.
இப்ப வந்து தேவதான்ற சப்தம் வந்து புல்லிங்க எழுதும் போது அதே தேவதா, தேவதே, தேவதாஹான் தான் எழுதணுமா? இல்ல
புல்லிங்கமா இருந்தாலும் அது மாறாது. இப்ப வந்து இந்திர இதி தேவதா அப்படின்னா கூட தேவதா, தேவதே, தேவதாஹா மாறவே மாறாது. எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன். Good one, I'll tell you. Pathashala. What is the meaning of Pathashala? You know. Vidyalayah. Okay? Mandiram. Devalayah. What is the meaning of all these words? Pathashala, school. Okay? Okay? Vidyalayaha, school. What is in Sanskritam? When you say Pathashala, okay, the school becomes Strilinga.
Okay.
Okay? When I say Vidyalayaha, it becomes Pullinga.
Oh.
That time only.
Oh.
Okay? That particular time it becomes, because why you know? It is nothing but it will not change. See, the gender will not change. But this gender classification is meant for pronoun, okay, adjectives, okay. These two very important. Sometimes meaning also. You know, I'll tell you one shloka to all of you. Okay. Tanvi charupayodhara suvadana Shyama manoharini Nita nishkarudena kenachidaho Deshantaradayata. Let me write the shloka. Tanvi charupayodhara suvadana. Two beggars are talking. Tanvi suvadana. Tanvi suvadana. Tanvi charu payodhara. Tanvi charu payodhara suvadana. Shyama manoharini. Nita kenachit aho deshantarat ayata. This I took in B.Ed teaching practice to show the difference in that is gender, how gender is playing the main role for beautiful shlokas. Okay. Tanvi charupayodhara suvadana Shyama manoharini Nita nishkarunena kenachitaho nishkarunena Nita nishkarunena kenachidaho deshantaradayata utsankochitaya taya rahitaya kim jivanam prekshase. Okay? Bhiksho re dayitasti kim nahi prana priya Tundika. This is the shloka. Okay? It's very, these are all called Chatu shlokas. Chatu shlokas improve the knowledge of a person and we can easily by heart this because the meaning is very interesting. Okay? But particularly this shloka is meant for adjectives. Okay? Tanvi. See, one word, see, the description is applicable for human as well as a non-living thing. In Sanskrit, this is possible because Strilinga meant for female as well as non-living thing also. Right? That is what I explained. We are not going to see the meaning, we are going to see the ending. Tanvi, ending with E, Strilinga word. Okay? Charupayodhara a suvadana a shyama a manoharini e nita a nishkarunena kenachidaho deshantaradayata ayata. These are all adjectives, okay, describing one word, tumbika. Ayata, Utsankochitaya taya rahitaya kim jivanam. All this reading only in Tritiya Vibhakti. Bhikshore dayita. Dayita means dayita stikim, not kim, it is kim. Okay. Dayita stikim nahi nahi prana priya tumbika. Actually, till last word it is a secret. Okay. Two beggars are sitting in the river bank. Okay. Just understand the situation, in which situation this shloka is composed. One is sad, another one is looking at him. Two beggars, both are beggars. Okay. So one is very sad, another one is asking, why are you sad? Then he is telling, the first one is telling, no, he is sad, is telling, okay, first 3 lines. Okay. Tanvi. So all Strilinga. Understand. Immediately what we will understand? We will understand like female only. We will not understand immediately that it is some object. Tanvi, very slim body. Charupayodara, very beautiful. Suvadana, the face is also good looking. Shyama, black in color. Manoharini, very attractive. Nita means somebody kidnapped her. Okay, it is all female. Okay, it's all describing one person. Nita means somebody kidnapped her. Nishkarunena, mercilessly. Kenachit, by somebody. Aho means is worrying, is crying. Oh, you is crying. Deshantaradayata, she has come from abroad. Okay. Utsanko chitaya, utsanka means lap. Always she used to sit on my lap. Taya rahitaya, without her. Kim jivanam prekshase, my life is lost. So far he is describing something else, but the person who is listening misunderstood that it is a lady or daughter, someone. Okay. Tanvi, again I explain you. This I took for class 11. Okay, finally I got a lot of appreciation. Excellent appreciation I got. The way I taught. Okay. Why, the gender which is applicable for female as well as the non-living thing, how beautifully handled here. Okay. Then the second bhikshu in 4th line, bhiksho. Then he is asking, hey beggar, re bhiksho, oh beggar. Dayita stikim, dayita means wife's daughter. Okay, dayita stikim, arre, you are a beggar, you have a daughter, or this one such a beautiful wife. Then he says, nahi, no daughter, no wife. Prana priya tumbika, my beloved tumbika. Tumbika means kamandalu. Kamandaluhu. When it says kamandaluhu, it is pullinga. When it is said tumbika, same word. Okay, kamandaluhu or tumbika. See the difference? Kamandaluhu is pullinga. Nothing will come. Tanvi will not come. Charupayodhara will not come. Suvadana will not. How it will become? Charupayodharaha, Suvadanaha, Shyamaha, Manoharaha, Nitaha. So everything will change. Okay. So this is what interesting in Sanskrit, when the gender is used for human being as well as non-living thing. Okay. Tumbika means kamandalu. Tumbika is Strilinga, so all the words are used in Strilinga because of that. So person is misunderstanding that it is a female. Okay. But finally he says, no, nothing. It is my dear Kamandalu. Kamandalu. See, same thing applicable to Kamandalu also. Tanvi means this is a slim body. Charu Payodhara. Payodhara means where we can save water. The gata, the pot. Charu Payo, it is so beautiful. Gata they say. Very beautiful to store water. Suvadana means it has a neck. Beautiful neck, beautiful face. Shyama, it is black in color. Manoharani, very attractive one. Nita, Nishkarudena, somebody took it away mercilessly. Deshantara, Dayata, when I was going for wandering in the another place, Deshantara means there are two meanings. Another place, another country. Two meanings. So he says, from another city I brought it. Utsanko Chitaya, always I keep it on my lap only. Okay, Utsanko Chitaya. She is fit to keep on my lap. I always keep on my lap. Taya Rahitaya, I lost it, so my life is also lost. Then this Bhikshore Dayita Stikim, you have a wife? Where beggar can marry? So he's asking, do you have a wife? They say, no, I am not married. Prana Priya, see the beauty of the gender here. So that, see here, Pathashala, Vidyalaya. Then what will happen? Pronoun will change, adjectives will change accordingly. Meaning will not change. Okay? Pronoun will change, adjectives will change, meaning will not change. Meaning will not change. Okay? Meaning will not change. Mainly adjectives, pronoun and adjective will change. Okay? Adharam, Madhuram, you know the song. Okay? There you see every time Madhuram come. No, Madhuraha, Madhuram, Madhura, Gopi, Madhura. Like this shloka is there, no? So, when you change when noun changes its gender, then immediately adjective will change its gender. Pronoun will change its gender. So that is the only advantage which is useful in the shlokas. Okay. Then Mandiram Devalaya. See, both are temples. Mandiram is Napumsakalinga. Okay. Neuter gender word. Whereas Devalaya is masculine. But meaning is same. But what is the difference? What will happen? When we use pronoun and adjective, it will change. Okay. See here, it will become Etat Mandiram. Okay. Here, Saha Devalaya. See the difference. Same way here, Sa Pathashala. Saha Vidyalaya. This is next step. I am going to teach you in the next step. This Saha, Sa, Etat, all these things. Okay. So, Devata is Strilinga. Sometimes we can use it in Napumsakalinga, but when we use Devaha, adjectives will be, pronoun and adjectives will be in Pullinga. When we use Devata, the pronoun and adjectives will be in Strilinga. That's the difference that you should understand. Okay?
Seri Adiyan, Dhanyasmi.
Very good. Kodapala Nanikiran?
Illa Adiyan.
Okay. Sir. கடைசி அது பார்த்துலாம் சுவாமி டைம் இருக்கா 7:27 ஆகுது நவுசாலிங்க நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாமா சரி
I think ரெண்டு பேர் இன்னும் கேட்டிருந்தா
இருக்காளா அது சொல்லட்டுமே இந்த ஸ்ரீலிங்கம் சொல்லட்டுமே ஒரு புல்லிங்கம் ஒரு ஸ்ரீலிங்கம் சொல்லட்டும் ஒருத்தர் ஒரு புல்லிங்கம் சொல்லட்டும் ஸ்ரீஹரி have you read I don't remember if Srihari has read மேக்னா படிச்சேன்
புல்லிங்க சொல்லுங்க
சொல்லுமா
ஓகே बालः बालौ बालाः रामः रामौ रामाः देशः देशौ देशाः चटकः चटकौ चटकाः मृगौ मृगाः वृक्षः वृक्षौ वृक्षाः
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now Strilinga. Strilinga.
Vinata, do you want to read? Last. Vinata, are you there? Adiyan illa polo adiyan maybe she left.
Vera yarna irkala?
Anyone else wants to read the last thing, the Strilinga Shabdas?
Hariyan?
Okay.
Vishnu.
Vishnu, read Strilinga Shabda.
Lata, late, lataha.
Very good.
Praja, praje, prajaha. Mala, male, malaha. Sheela, sheele, sheelaha. Griva, grive, grivaha. Devata, devate, devataha.
Very good, very good, very good. Uttama, uttama, very good, very good. Any doubt, anything? Otherwise we will close.
Dhanyasmi Hariyan.
Dhanyawad. Muchilama adiyan.
Adiyan das mudichula adiyan.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु सर्वत्र नन्दतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.